Hello, I'm going to provide a short walkthrough of Blackboard navigation for those that aren't familiar with the system so that it's easier for you to find our orientation content. When you log into Blackboard with the directions above, you'll be automatically directed to the institution page. To the left of the content window, you'll find the navigation menu. This is where you'll access your courses, organizations, messages, and other Blackboard tools. To find our orientation content, we're going to select Organizations. You'll be granted access to organizations based on your academic programs, standing as a graduate student, and involvement in organizations on campus, so your organizations will look different from mine. Today, we're looking for graduate school orientation. It's flagged with blue on the left side. Click the organization name to open. Organization leaders select what content you see first, so not all organizations will look like this on your main screen. For orientation, we have everything you need right here on the front page. Under orientation content, there are 3 modules. Module 1 is a welcome to Wichita State University. In this module, you'll get to know Wichita, Wichita State University, and the graduate school, and learn about WSU's different student technology systems. Module 2 is about conduct, academics, and advising. In this module, you'll learn about conduct expectations, academics, and advising for graduate students at Wichita State. And Module 3 is all about resources. In this module, you'll learn about the most used and asked about resources available to all graduate students on campus. Let's open Module 1 to see what it looks like. Within each module, you'll see a list of different lessons. To the left of the title, each lesson is marked with a progress bubble. Empty bubbles indicate a lesson that has not been started yet. Opened lessons are marked as started, with the bottom half of the circle shaded in. A green check mark indicates that the lesson is completed. For lessons that do not have a quiz attached, you can change the status yourself. To open a lesson, click on the title. The content will load, and from here, you can read any text, follow links to websites inside and outside of Wichita State University with supplemental information, watch videos both with and without subtitles, and answer any questions. All of this information is presented to help you succeed in your graduate studies at Wichita State and will be available to you the entire semester for reference as needed. You can navigate between lessons within this window by clicking the navigation links at the top. The arrows on the right and left side will navigate you to the next or previous lesson, or you can click the X to return to the module menu. You can mark this as complete and move on. Scrolling down to Module 2, you'll see that some of the lessons have questions. All of the lessons with questions show the due date and number of attempts allowed. The information you'll be quizzed on is just above each question. Just review the information and answer the question. The information about communications from the graduate school reads, check your WSU email regularly. This is where all university offices must send official communications. The graduate school may not send official communications and documents to your private email address. And question number 1 reads, true or false? The graduate school will send official communication and documents to your private email address. Based on the statement above, the correct answer is B, false. Once you've answered all of the questions in the lesson, be sure to submit your responses. You'll have the option to download a submission receipt, but this step isn't necessary. Your submission will be logged in the Blackboard organization. Again, you'll have access to these modules the entire semester, so feel free to check back when needed. If you have questions that aren't addressed in the orientation content or are having difficulty navigating orientation, feel free to reach out to the email address in the Contact Us box on this web page. We're glad you're here and look forward to meeting you soon.